In today's video, I will walk you through how to add simple moving average, or SMA, in Robinhood Legend. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Robinhood Legend from the official Robinhood platform and go into your chart workspace, where your trading layout is already displayed. Once your chart is visible, move to the upper right-hand corner of the screen and look for the Indicators icon located just below the Add Widget button. Click on the Indicators icon to open the Indicators panel. Inside the Indicators panel, click Add Indicator to display the full list of available indicators. After the list appears, you can either scroll through the options manually or use the search box to find the indicator faster. Click on the search field and type SMA or Simple Moving Average to locate it quickly. Once you find the Simple Moving Average indicator in the list, click on it to add it to your active chart. The indicator will automatically be applied and displayed on your chart once selected. You will now see the SMA line appear on your chart, confirming that it has been added successfully. Click on Settings to open the customization menu for the indicator. Inside the Settings section, you will see the available options for adjusting the Simple Moving Average indicator. Click through the settings and make the changes you want based on your preferred chart display. You can adjust the indicator appearance using the available controls inside this menu. As you make changes in the Settings panel, the updates will automatically reflect on your chart in real time, so you can immediately preview how the SMA line looks with your adjustments. If you need to refine it later, you can always return to the Settings menu and adjust it again at any time. The Simple Moving Average indicator will remain active on your chart as you continue working inside Robinhood Legend. That is how you add and customize the Simple Moving Average, or SMA, indicator in Robinhood Legend.